I am back here to winterize some boats. So I'm gonna do my dad's first. Winterizing these boats is pretty easy. I brought a bucket because I don't have drains or anything here, but basically I just pull the plugs out, let the water drain into the bilge, and then once that's done, I'm gonna pull the drain plug out and drain it into this bucket. That should be pretty well it. So. I feel like the smartest person in the world. I just have the same hose that I use to siphon the trans fluid out of that car fit in my block, and I have it coming through the drain plug into this bucket to drain the water out of the engine. Some of it went on the floor. Overall, it's pretty solid, I think. And that way I don't have to worry about getting the floor super wet and gross. I'm into my boat now. I realized when doing my dad's boat that winterizing a boat is super boring to watch, so I didn't film a whole lot, and I'm probably not gonna film a lot on this, but I guess I'll just say, all I'm doing is, my boat's a little harder because the engine is crammed in. His is so easy because it just sits right out in the open once you take the clamshell off, but all I have to do is take out the drain plugs on each side, and then I pull off the heater hoses and blow air through them just to get air out all the way up to the heater core, and I leave them disconnected in case it does freeze so that there's not like air pressure or whatever in there. And then there's like a little garden hose type connector back here that you unhook, and that's it. I also need to pull the plugs and fog the motors, but I don't have fogging oil here. It's at my house, so that's super easy to do. I'll do that another time. I don't disconnect the batteries. This boat has a built-in charger, so I just plug it in, which actually the plug is sitting here, so I need to plug it in. And his boat does not have an onboard charger. We have a extra charger that we'll just throw on it, and that should be it. Check out this. This is how tight this is to the loft. Like, I used to have on the top of that a GoPro clip, like to put a camera on, and at 1/4 inch or whatever, it was just a little bit too much, so it popped it off, which is not a big deal. I just think that that's crazy. Like, you can see it's so close, but it didn't even hit it. Like, it's like this place was meant to be.